Hello everyone, we are going to solve a very popular lead code question number 7, that is reverse integer. This problem is frequently asked in coding interviews. In this we will understand the problem statement, edge cases, dry run and the solution finally implemented in C++. So let's get started. The question is like that. We have given a signed 32-bit integer x. Return x its digit reverse if the reverse x cause value to go outside the range of 32-bit integer range, then return 0. Assume the environment does not allow you to store 64 integer signed or unsigned. So let's understand this question. So we have first let understand the constants given. Constants are like that. We have given the range, that is minus 30 to the power 31 to the power minus 31 minus 1, that is 32-bit integer. And next is like that. Suppose we have given input like minus 10. So what is the reverse of it? The reverse of it will be minus 0 1, but we know the left of 0 at the left means nothing, so it would be minus 1. Similarly, we have to take a look of these two constants and then solve the question. Moving forward, let's see the how what is our approach and what we are going to do. Let's suppose we have given an x value 1 2 3 4. So our logic would be we will extract one term from the value. Let's suppose we have initial variable, let's say r equals to 0. Now let's extract 4 using the modulo operator. Then the remaining will be 1 2 3 and we have the 0 though. Then we will do like that. We will multiply 0 into 10 plus the digit which we have taken out, that is 4. Then it will be 4. Then take out the 3 from it. Then the remaining value will be 1 2. So do the same. R equals to R, that is 4 into 10 plus the last digit which we have taken out. Then it will be 4 343. Similarly, next remaining will be 1, and r equals to 4 3 into 10 plus 1 equals to 4 3, sorry, will be 2. Again we will take out the last value 1, then it will be 0. Then r equals to 4 3 2 into 10 plus 1 equals to 4 3 2 1. Here it would be 2, not the 1. Okay, then we got the reverse of the this. We have done this till we get x equals to 0. So let's code it. So our code will look like, let's see this, and after that we will try run this. We have to return it int. We have given integer x and we have to write the in this. Let's take variable long reverse equals to 0. Long we have taken because we want to check the range, that 32 within. So what we are going to do is we were going to use while loop. While x is not equals to 0, we will take another integer, let's say digit. We will extract the last digit by using modulo operator and do the same process that I have explained in the previous. Reverse into 10 plus the last digit. and after that reduce the element from the x using divide operator. So close this while loop, and in last we will have the reverse in the reverse variable of the integer, but we have to check if the reverse value is less than integer min, or reverse value is greater than integer max. If it does, then we have to return 0, otherwise return integer form of reverse. Closing the loop. So our codes look like this. Let's implement in the lead code and check it. So let's check it here. So we are going to take a long um, variable rev with initial value 0, and using while loop as we have done till x not equals to 0, again taking our integer variable with an integer with initial value. With initial value we have to take it from the given integer using modulo operator, extract the last digit, and using our formula reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus digit, and after that we will reduce x by using divide operator, and by this way we will take out from the loop and check if reverse is less than equals to min value, or reverse is greater than integer max. If it does, return 0 according to the question. If not, a return integer form of reverse. Bracket will be here. Let's make it in good format. So let's check the so where all the test cases are passed, and let's submit it. So you can see we have submitted and code is accepted. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.